Hey, what's up? Sami here. As in my previous CC9 Pro unboxing video, we didn't do many photo samples as I want to put in this video separately, as this camera from CC9 Pro deserves more attention. As for the specs of the CC9 Pro, it comes with a penta camera setup. The primary wide-angle camera uses a 108 megapixel quad-Bayer sensor that produces 27 megapixel image output. It's accompanied by a 20 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and listen well, it comes with not one but two telelenses for optimized performance. The short telephoto is 12 megapixel and long telephoto lens is 8 megapixel, while the tiniest camera on the bottom of the setup is a 2 to 10 centimeter micro lens. Enough about the specs. Let's take a look at some of the photos we shot. And again, special thanks to my content partner iPhone Tech. Please make sure to subscribe to their channel. This photo was taken directly by using the 108 megapixel camera lens. You have to enable the option in the camera interface in order to shoot it. We took several photos for comparison. You can see on the 108 megapixel photo, it keeps much more details. You barely see blurs on the characters. The edge looks clear and crisp, while the Mate 30 Pro is the worst. And yeah, that's the full photo. Just to let you know how far this camera can go. In this group of pictures, you can also feel the stronger pixel analysis of the CC9 Pro camera. Check out the patterns on the building. When you zoom in, you can even see things clear on the window. And how about the performance? Just leave your comment below. Alright, these pictures were taken under the daylight condition. Now let's compare some pictures in less sufficient light environment. The 108 megapixel photo is good, but when you zoom in, the noise is becoming obvious and the dark part is blurry as well. I gotta say, under this condition, there are not so much difference between these pictures. While in 108 megapixel mode, the AI feature is not applied, so the camera records what the picture should look like. So you may need some adjustment for a better viewing experience later. And here are some photos we took at night. As the sensor size is increased, so theoretically, CC9 Pro has a better night performance. In this comparison, CC9 Pro photo was taken in auto mode. The sky color somehow is not as clear as Mate 30 Pro. Overall, two phones almost have the same performance. When you enable the night mode on CC9 Pro, we can see the CC9 Pro photo becomes cleaner and crisper. What do you think? Which has a better performance? Leave your comment below. Here are more photos took by CC9 Pro. As DxOMark released its review about the CC9 Pro camera, it scores 121 and currently is the #1 on the list. That means CC9 Pro does have an outstanding camera performance. However, what I'd like to complain is the photo-taking user experience. Whenever you press the shutter, it always spins for a while, and that really takes too much time. I just wish it could come with a better chipset. Maybe let's say Snapdragon 855. As for the Antutu benchmark, here is the score. As for gaming, it's decent in normal games like the Gorilla the King or the PUBG. Here is what we recorded by Gamebench. Overall, the CC9 Pro is a pretty decent phone. The biggest downside is maybe the chipset, but enough for the tasks. If you are not a heavy gamer and have a strong needs for battery life and the camera performance, look no further. Alright, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed watching and please give our content partner iPhone Tech a subscription. I'm Sami. Catch you up later.